everyone, in today's tutorial I'm just going to show you how to do this eye look. It's like a spotlight eye, so it means like the centre is light and then the outer parts are darker and then it's smoky underneath as well. Hope you enjoy the tutorial and thanks for watching. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply concealer all over my eyelid as a base. So next I'm going in with my MAC Warm Neutral palette. I'm using this medium brown shade and I'm just applying that to the inner part of my eye, the outer part of my eye, in my crease. The only place I'm not putting this eyeshadow is right in the centre of my eye. I'm just leaving that free from any eyeshadow. Then using the darker shadows in the palette, I'm just applying them with a more dense brush in the very outer corner and the very inner corner of my eye. And then I'm applying a little bit just in my crease as well, but I don't want as much as the previous colour on. I just want a little bit. I'm then going in with the previous colour and I'm just blending those out so they blend nice together. I then pat on a nice gold shade just right in the middle of my eyelid where I don't have any eyeshadow yet. I'm then going in with a black eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to apply that to my eyelid just close to my lashes, in my tight line and on my waterline as well, just to create a more smoky effect to the look. Using some black liquid eyeliner, I just smoothed out the line on top and made sure that it was nice and even, and I smoked a little bit underneath my eye as well. Using the shadows I used on top of my eyelid, I'm going to use those underneath as well. So I'm going from the darkest, closest to my lashes, and then fading down to the lightest, so it gives a nice smoky gradual effect going downwards. I then applied some mascara and then some fake eyelashes to really define the eyes, and I just can't live without fake eyelashes, so they had to be added. I'm sorry. All the fallout underneath my eyes is making me look like a panda, so I decided to clean it up and apply some concealer just to tidy everything up. And this is the finished look.